actually a form of suicide. It's more a form of warfare.
There! 𝚤𝚗𝚐's been listening in. He's on the other side of this device. He wants to talk to you. It's no wonder that 𝚤𝚐 up and left you without a word!
Kind of surveillance video that's recording us.
That's cool. No wonder Rambo struggled against this ability. I came here only because you promised me a delicious dessert.
Well, yeah, I was referring to myself.
Ew, no.
You're so upset, try making me cry.
Okay, how about this? For being older than me, you're pretty short. Yeah.
You little...
Here's how it works. You basically take your blue duck, you take your red duck, smoochy, 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 put them together. Out comes a duck that is purple.
Can't help but be persuaded she lost the true self long ago. Now all her friends have pushed away because the caricature is all they know. Timeless life all over and all there, everyone rushing to death. So all her all alone, you know, black and white, seeing the one and only candle queen.
you wanna destroy it? Does it get to your head? Does it get to go bang?
You know that people with guilty consciences are more easily startled by loud noises. I'm sorry, I don't know why that went off. Anyway, just an interesting science.
Kill yourself.
僕が孤児院で折檻されて物置に閉じ込められていた時の話です。気がつくと棚の向こうから誰かが僕を見ていました。そいつはずっと僕を見つめていました。そのうちあることに気づいたんです。その棚の奥に人が入れる隙間なんてなかったってことに。
なんちゃって、さあ次行きましょう。
君のがよっぽど怖いよ、淳君。